hold on tight. You won't believe what Toyota's cooked up for the 2026 Sequoia. This isn't just a refresh, it's a whole new level of SUV domination. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this beast. All right, folks, let's get into it. The 2026 Toyota Sequoia is making some serious waves, and for good reason. Toyota has listened to the critics and delivered a knockout punch with this redesign. We're talking about a completely revamped exterior that screams modern and powerful. Think bolder lines, a more aggressive stance, and a front grille that demands attention. But it's not just about the looks. Under the hood, you can expect some serious performance upgrades. Rumors are swirling about a potential hybrid powertrain that could deliver both impressive fuel efficiency and exhilarating horsepower. Interior-wise, get ready for a luxurious experience. We're talking premium materials, state-of-the-art technology, and a spacious cabin that can comfortably accommodate the whole family. Plus, expect a suite of advanced safety features to keep you and your loved ones protected on every journey. This isn't your grandpa's Sequoia. This is a 2026 machine ready to conquer the road, and maybe the off-road trails too. What about the price? Early leaks suggest a starting price that is slightly higher than the previous model, reflecting the significant upgrades and enhancements. The actual release date is still shrouded in secrecy. However, industry insiders are hinting at a late 2025 unveiling, with models hitting dealerships in early 2026. Now, let's talk about what really matters. The details. We're expecting Toyota to roll out a range of trims, each with its own unique set of features and options. From the base model SR5 to the luxurious Platinum and TRD Pro trims, there's a Sequoia for every taste and budget. The TRD Pro, in particular, is generating a lot of buzz with its rugged off-road capabilities and distinctive styling. But it's not just about trims. Toyota is also likely to offer a variety of packages that allow you to customize your Sequoia to your exact specifications. Want a panoramic sunroof? No problem. Need a premium sound system? They've got you covered. The 2026 Sequoia is expected to be packed with cutting-edge features, including a massive infotainment screen, wireless smartphone integration, and a host of driver assistance systems. We're talking about lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking will all become standard. This Sequoia is also expected to have blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and parking sensors for enhanced safety and convenience. But the real question is the 2026 Toyota Sequoia worth the hype? In my opinion, absolutely. Toyota has taken everything that was great about the previous model and made it even better. The result is an SUV that's stylish, powerful, comfortable, and technologically advanced. Sure, the price tag might be a bit higher, but you're getting a lot of value for your money. And with its legendary reliability and resale value, the Sequoia is an investment that's sure to pay off in the long run. Of course, it's important to do your research and compare it to other SUVs in its class. But I think you'll find that the Sequoia comes out on top in many categories. So, if you're in the market for a new SUV, be sure to check out the 2026 Toyota Sequoia. I have a feeling you won't be disappointed. And don't forget to watch out for our follow-up video. In our next video, we will take you on a tour and a test drive. So what do you think about the 2026 Toyota Sequoia? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more car reviews and news, and share this video with your friends who might be interested in the new Sequoia. Thanks for watching.